Hey learners, welcome back to my channel TechGround Learning Hub. In this today's video, we are going to discuss about how Amazon ML School test would be there. You all know that tomorrow, 3rd August, there will be an exam. Am I right? So for that, what would be the pattern? In this today's video, we are going to discuss about that. So if you feel this is informative, so please consider subscribing our channel and see the video until end. So yeah guys, previously we have discussed about this. We would have 20 MCQ questions. After this 20 MCQ questions, we will have two coding questions that we can attempt in any familiar language like Java, C++, or Python, Go, JavaScript, anything. Okay. Now the major important doubt for everybody is, can we switch between question to question? Yeah, we can easily switch between question to question. First we can answer these coding questions and later on we can go to the multiple choice questions. That's our wish. So this is a sample test which I am writing now. This is a complete sample test, so you can also write the sample test. How we can write this sample test, you will get it out, right? So you got a mail from the scalar team. So if you see that mail properly, you can easily find that there would be a link of sample test. Please go through there and please verify your sample test. Okay, now we can answer this multiple choice question and we can keep as a submit question. Your answer to this question has been recorded. It will be evaluated after the end of contest. If you change your answer, kindly resubmit. Okay, if we are changing the answer and if we keep 0 and if we go to another question, this wouldn't be recorded. Again, it would be same option, so that once if we change the option, you have to click on resubmit. This is main important point when we are changing the answer. Okay. So next let us check whether answer is, yeah, it's changed, and here we can see a small tick mark also is appearing over here. That's really very great thing. And yeah, here we have coding questions. Here we have space for coding. We could see here we can type anything, but we have to do everything in this specific things, right? Only over here we have to do all the solution. So we can switch our language from here. See, we have number of languages over here: Java 8, Kotlin, Ruby, Python, Go language, C++, PHP also, JavaScript also. So that's very good thing. So you can choose any language which you are comfortable with. So yeah, that's all about sample test. Let me show you all the questions so you can also prepare for all these things. So yeah, let me traverse from first question to 20th question. So if you want any question to read, please stop the video and please read. So yeah guys, that's all about the question. All the descriptive questions also means like coding questions also would be generally on the specific thing called machine learning. So be prepared with machine learning. Don't try to cheat over here. Only 3000 students would be selected. Be aware of the exam. All the best all of you for your exams. Hope for the best. Thank you. Meet you in the video soon. Bye bye.